Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by tuning audio and attention. Put on closed-back headphones, set volume to a level that preserves clarity without distortion, and position a clock for timing. Once ready, listen for the first 2-3 seconds to capture the speaker's pace and keywords. Plan a short template in your head: number, subject, verb. Make quick shorthand notes in 3-minute columns: quantities, nouns, connectors. This gives you a scaffold, so you can transcribe accurately while conserving mental bandwidth. You now enter the detailed transcription phase. Focus on exact figures first, numbers, dates, and percentages, because they rarely paraphrase well. Then convert spoken clauses into concise written phrases. Keep the original meaning, but simplify complex sentence fragments into subject-verb-object where possible. If a word is unclear, write a phonetic approximation and flag it with an asterisk so you can revisit. Make sure to maintain flow. Don't stop for perfect wording until the sentence end, then refine. You finish by polishing and checking. Read your dictation aloud to catch grammar, missing connectors, and subject-verb agreement. Once done, listen only to flagged segments and correct specifics like names and numbers. Make sure each sentence expresses one clear idea and restore original tense where needed. If the audio is poor, reduce playback to 0.75 or 1/2 speed and re-listen. That often reveals consonants. If problems persist, mark uncertain words and make an informed guess rather than leaving blanks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.